प्रवासी भारतीय सम्मान पुरस्कार प्रदान करने के लिए अपनी सहमति दी। ये विशेष सौभाग्य की बात भी है कि वह खुद उड़ीसा की पवित्र धरती से। प्रवासी भारतीय सम्मान अवार्ड्स that would be conferred by the Honorable President of India on select members of the Indian diaspora are a recognition of their achievements. At the same time, they are also a statement of the value that India attaches to its diaspora. I felicitate the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman awardees and I am confident that they will continue to be an effective bridge to the world. Friends, the last few days have allowed us opportunities to explore various facets of diaspora activities, interests and aspirations. Quite appropriately, the overarching theme is about contributing to a Viksit Bharat. We have had panels on youth leadership, migrant skills, sustainable development, Nari Shakti and cultural connections. I am sure that these conversations and networking provided by the PBD platform has been motivating for all of us. So too are our external exposure, commitments and footprint. We approach the world with a twin perspective of India first and Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. When India progresses, so does 1/6 of humanity. When we do global good, our own people stand equally to gain. This is now an era of greater interdependence, technology flows and talent mobility.
मारिया लीना जॉन फर्नांडिस, आप ऑस्ट्रिया से हैं। आपको शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में महत्वपूर्ण योगदान करने के लिए सम्मानित किया जा रहा है। क्वेस्ट फॉर पैशन परियोजना द्वारा यूरोपीय व भारतीय युवाओं को जोड़ने का कार्य आप कर रही हैं। भारत ऑस्ट्रिया द्विपक्षीय संबंधों को भी बढ़ावा दे रही है। डॉक्टर मारिया लीना जॉन फर्नांडिस। स्वामी संयुक्तानंद, फिजी से, आपको सामुदायिक सेवा में विशेष अवदान के लिए सम्मानित किया जा रहा है। स्वामी संयुक्तानंद फिजी से और सेवा संगठन है। आप भारतीय संस्कृति और मूल्यों को बढ़ावा देने में सक्रिय रूप से शामिल हैं। सराहनीय योगदान के लिए प्रवासी भारतीय सम्मान पुरस्कार राज जुनेजा, आप जापान से हैं के क्षेत्र में विशिष्ट योगदान। मॉरिशस भोजपुरी संस्थान के संस्थापक परिषद में एक सम्मानित लेखिका, पत्रकार व कार्यकर्ता हैं। आपने विश्व हिंदी सचिवालय की स्थापना की। भारतीय कंपनियों को व्यापार स्थापित करने में सहायता करते हैं। 2022 में यूक्रेन संकट के दौरान भारत सरकार के ऑपरेशन गंगा के तहत भारतीय नागरिकों को निकालने में आपने महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई। डॉक्टर रामविलास कलाते, म्यांमार के
It is a national mission that requires proactive and enthusiastic participation of every Indian, including those living abroad. The Indian diaspora is an integral part of this region. Your global presence gives you a unique perspective, and your achievements place you in a position to significantly contribute this firsthand during my interactions with our diaspora as part of my travel abroad. Consular services for non-resident Indians have been simplified. For overseas citizens of India, processes have been digitized and streamlined. Initiatives like No India program provide avenues for the younger members of our diaspora to rediscover their Indian roots. I am happy to know that Odisha government is appointing a nodal minister for engaging with Pravasi Bharatiya for project investment, etc. I appreciate the step taken by the Odisha government. In recent years, we have launched several missions, including Operation Kaveri, Operation Bonga, and Operation Vande Bharat to assist distressed Indians. Today, Indians around the world can count on their homeland for support and protection in times of need. Ladies and gentlemen, over the last 3 days, experts from diverse fields have come together here to discuss issues of importance for both India as well as its diaspora. You all must have seen the special exhibit at the convention, which highlights various important facets of our diaspora's connection and contribution to India. I am sure these insightful discussions will help to shape policies that benefit both India and the global community. Contributions of women, students, and the youth amongst our diaspora. The achievements of Indian women globally are a matter of immense pride for us as they break barriers and scale new heights in various fields. Our students and youth, with their dynamism and creativity, are the torchbearers of our future. They are the ones who will carry forward the legacy of a vibrant and progressive India. Let Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, or the world is one family. This vision is about creating an ecosystem that not only meets our needs but also contributes to global well-being. We seek to be a nation that balances economic progress with social justice and environmental stewardship, ensuring a bright future for generations to come. As we celebrate the achievements of our Pravasi Bharatiya family, let us also look forward to the future with